What if I say your money beliefs aren't even yours? They were passed down to you, quietly, invisibly, shaping every financial decision you make today. And here's the scary part. Most people stay broke not because they lack money, but because they never question the beliefs controlling it. In this video, we're going to completely rewire the way you think about money, because once you change your mindset, you change your financial reality. By the end of this video, you'll understand why you think the way you do about money. And more importantly, how to take back control. Think about this. When you growing up, what did you hear about money? Money is hard to make. Rich people are greedy. We don't talk about finances. These aren't just phrases. They're programming. And without realizing it, you've been running these scripts your entire life. These unconscious beliefs control your habits, your risks, your income, everything. But here's the truth. Bulb your ability to feel wealthy. Bulb to become financially independent. Bulb to build real freedom. It's all in your control. Not your background. Not your education. Not your job. It's your behavior, and behavior can be changed. Here's something most people don't understand. Money is just a game. And whether you like it or not, you're already playing. So you have two choices. Ignore the game and struggle forever. Or learn the rules and get really good at it. But there's one rule you need to understand immediately. If you hate money, you will never attract it. Because your actions will always push it away. If you constantly say, money is bad, rich people are evil, I don't care about money, then guess what? Money doesn't care about you either. Let me ask you something. When you receive money, how do you feel? Excited? Grateful? Or stressed, like it's never enough? Most people don't realize this. You have a relationship with money, just like you do with people. And that relationship falls into three categories. Secure, anxious, avoidant. Some people check their bank account confidently. Others feel anxiety every time they spend. And some avoid it completely. But here's the problem. If you avoid money, ignore it, or fear it, you will never grow it. Because money responds to attention. Not obsession, but awareness. Do you budget? Do you track it? Do you respect it? Or do you let it disappear every month, without even noticing? You've probably heard this before. Money is the root of all evil. But that's not the full truth. The real quote is, the love of money is the root of all evil. And that changes everything. Money itself is neutral. It's a tool. It's energy. It's a resource. The problem isn't money. The problem is obsession, greed, and lack of control. So don't avoid money. Master it. Let's simplify this completely. Making money is not complicated. It comes down to one principle. Value. You get paid based on the value you provide. Not your potential. Not your effort. Not your dreams. If you want to earn more, become more valuable. Learn more. Improve skills. Solve bigger problems. That's it. And once you earn it, don't just spend it. Learn to keep it. Think of money like a rocket. If it doesn't reach escape velocity, falls back to earth. And most people, they stay stuck. Working, earning, spending, repeating, forever. But freedom comes when your money starts working for you. When your investments generate income. When you stop trading time for money. That's when you break free. Scarcity mindset says, I don't have enough. I can't afford it. I'll never get ahead. Abundance mindset says, I can create more. I can learn. I can grow. People with abundance appreciate money, respect money, use money as a tool, take calculated risks, and most importantly, they don't let money control them. They control it. Here's one of the biggest lies you've ever been told. Time is money. No. Time is far more valuable than money. Poor people trade time for money. Wealthy people use money to buy back time. That's the difference. That's the goal. So here's what I want you to remember. Your beliefs create your financial reality. Money is a tool, not the enemy. And your growth determines your income. If you change how you think about money, you will change how money shows up in your life. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you're ready to take control of your finances and your future, watch the next video on your screen right now. I'll see you there.